My name's Coach Murphy. I grew up, born and raised in Liverpool, England. What we're talking about today is motivation. And motivation in sport, regardless of whether you're playing at a grassroots level or whether you're playing professional, is extremely important. This is club soccer. It's not community league soccer, this is Sting club soccer. You earn the right to be here. Your parents have invested heavily in you. These coaches do it day in and week out because they believe that you've got the potential to be something special, to excel, to be excellent. The reality is there's one person in this equation that matters the most, and that is you. You are accountable for your own motivation. You are accountable for your own ability to do what needs to be done when it needs to be done. It's not your coach's job, it's not your parents' job, it's 100% your job. When you're tired, when it's early in the morning, and you've got to get up and go for a run, or you've got to go to practice and you don't feel like it. When you're at home, when you're on the couch, when you're chilling, when you're scrolling on your phone, when people are wanting you to come out and hang out and you know you've got to go for a run, you know you've got to lift weights, you know that you've got to go to practice on your own, and your habits that you've formed over years and years, over practice and reps, and you do what you don't want to do like you do want to do it. We're talking about your ability to pick yourself up off the floor, chase down a ball, make a tackle, irrespective of what time of day or night it is. It has to come from you. It has to come from within. Motivation, that fire, that desire that you need must burn inside of you, regardless of the weather, regardless of the day, regardless of how convenient it is. You have to be able to do the things that you do not feel like doing with the same level of enthusiasm, with the same level of drive and passion as the things that you do. People who work hard, people who are driven, who've got motivation, and who are willing to do what needs to be done will always beat naturally talented people who don't work hard.